Let's go down to our final heat here. Running in lane 1, Chachilla. Lane 2, La Cañada. La Cañada will actually be in 3. 2 will be empty. Oak Hills will be in 4. Loyola will be in 5. And Sarah in 6. Pasadena in 7. Kingsburg in 8. And Loyola Beachy out in lane 9. And for Sarah, the fastest qualifier this year at 1:27.16, and that is equal to our meet record. So certainly a meet record watch here. And Sarah will be in lane 6. And here we go, our final heat of the 4x2 on the boys. Sarah out in 5, running well, Mayfair in 6. Sarah in 6, Loyola in 5. Sarah comes off the turn. That is Sarah in 6, Loyola on the inside shoulder, pretty even. And in 4, Oak Hills. This could be some great anchors here. Oak Hills. This is Sarah in 6, though, in the red shorts. Loyola on their inside shoulder. Oak Hills on their inside shoulder. Looks like Clayton Curran going to run for Oak Hills. Has had a great day. That is him on the inside in the all black. And Johannes, oh my! Oak Hills, Loyola, Sarah, Johannes, bring it up, Loyola! Oh my! Loyola will win it! 125.50, it shatters the meet record of 127.16. All 3 teams well under the meet record. Loyola 125.23, Oak Hills 125.39, Sarah 125.49. Come on.
I got the finish. I got the